How to free up C drive space. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer. In here, scroll down and search for C drive. Then click on your C drive. After you click on your C drive, in here, click on Users. After you've clicked on Users, select the user you use. After you've selected the users, in here, click on OneDrive, then click on App Data. After you've clicked on App Data, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Roaming. After you've clicked on Roaming, you will find Adobe at the top. Click on it. Then click on Common. In here, click on Peak. After you're in the Peak folder, if anything is available, you can delete everything. After you've deleted, you will find C drive space free up. This is how to free up C drive space. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.